Okay, here I am. I'm here again in Brentwood. Coming for cherry picking. You see, these are all cherries.
Beautiful
See?
cherry.
See, cherries. Look, cherries. Actually, it's late now. They started early. See, these are all. I don't know if you're seeing, but are you seeing? Oh yeah. At least you're seeing. They're seeing. Look, is this the first time to see like this, Lou?
Yeah.
Well,
First
if we
time
came early, you will see. You will be amazed. All of them.
I know. You
At least we still have. Still, you know. I thought I lost my hope already, not seeing like this anymore. You know. Because like the other lady there, she said, "Oh, we normally come here at the end of May." Yeah, correct. But now they started early. They started in April.
While you're talking, I'm gonna be picking.
Yeah, now you are
Now I
really
have to-
cherry
I have
picking,
to
right?
bring some,
Now you're really picking cherries, right, Lou? I
Miriam,
can't believe this is your first time to check.
Miriam, I gotta bring some evidence home that I went cherry picking.
Yeah, exactly. See, I'm taking videos though, so I can send it to my cousin in Las Vegas. But unfortunately, she's coming next month because that's what I told her.
One time?
Huh?
Was that the one that came over one time?
Yeah, Rose, my cousin. Yeah,
Oh,
she's
Rose, okay. I
she's
met her already. Yeah.
yeah, on my birthday. Yeah. So anyway, she's coming on June 3 because we're coming back June 2nd from Alaska. So she's coming the following day after my arrival for cherry picking, but I don't know. Looks like there's no more cherries next month. The way I look at it, you know. See? Yeah, but this tree is full of cherries, but they're small and they're still red. Huh? Look. I don't know. Okay, there's a lot there on the top, but we can't reach it. So this one's supposed to be good. How many now? 3, 2. That's good enough. That's good enough. Over here we can take pictures on this side. This is brighter. Over here. Oh, here. Can you? Yeah, over here we can take pictures.